Have you ever wondered how some of the cultures today are here with us now? In this video, I'll be talking about one specific artifact that you probably don't know about. So what artifact are we exactly talking about? The image that you see here is a delicate artifact that was used by the Viet Kim people in the 19th century. This artifact is a unique pair of chopsticks that has a fine silver cover. As important as the actual chopsticks are, the casing does not only give better support for the chopsticks, but also creates a more aesthetic appearance. So what are these chopsticks exactly used for? The silver chopsticks are used to consume food in a certain etiquette. They were usually used by wealthy and important people. Some of the most straightforward etiquettes are wiping the chopsticks before and after use, using the unused side to handle food to others, and avoiding sticking the chopsticks upright in the middle of the bowl. How was this made? The chopsticks were usually made by farmers or slaves in the 19th century. The chopsticks itself are made of wood, but the case is created with fine silver. There are also many different chopsticks. For example, for the kings and the queens, the chopsticks were made of ivory, and among the normal citizens, bamboo was popular because it is durable, affordable, and had no special odor, and was also resistant to heat. Which ethnic group are they from? The pair of chopsticks are from the Viet Kim people, or the Vietnamese, who are likely to be in Hanoi, though the chopsticks first appeared in China in the 3rd century BC. Where is this ethnic group located? The King people are especially native to northern Vietnam. They are located near the Red River Delta in the 19th century. What is the location like? In northern Vietnam, there is much natural biodiversity, especially in the Red River Delta, although the chopsticks were mostly used in the mainland. Which element of culture does this artifact connect to? For the chopsticks made for the kings and queens, even the chopsticks itself were made of precious materials, which added to the appearance for the actual chopsticks. For this specific pair of chopsticks, the chopstick itself was not really made for appearance, but to be efficient and more sanitary for people when consuming food, though the casing was used not to provide strength but an aesthetic appearance. How did this artifact change over time? These chopsticks were only used by kings and queens or the wealthy, and their chopsticks were made of ivory because whenever it makes contact with poison, it changes color. For normal citizens, it was made out of wood or bamboo. Today, the chopsticks being made out of plastic is popular because it is durable and affordable. Are there any other artifacts that connect to this one? Another artifact that this connects to is artifact 27, the soup ladle. Some similarities in these artifacts are that they are both used for consumption of food. They both consist of wood, and they are domestic tools. How does this connect to my own culture? The chopsticks connect to my own culture because I'm from Korea, and our culture is different and similar in many ways, but the chopsticks connect strongly to my own culture. I have a few connections. Firstly, Korea also uses chopsticks very frequently, even today. Another connection is how chopsticks were changed over time. Chopsticks made of plastic are popular today in Korea because they are much durable, not flammable, and are much more affordable. Something that is different about the two cultures is that Korean chopsticks were usually made of metal, not wood. On the other hand, wooden chopsticks are more common in Japan. If you want to learn more, where can you look or what can you do? If you are interested in this specific artifact, you can look in the resources that I used to create this video. Or you can actually go to 54 Traditions, who donated these artifacts to our school. Also, if you contact tour agencies in Hanoi, they can help you. These are the sources that you can look into if you want to learn more.